Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a customized core system. What you can see now is A, B, C, D. And our keypad also show 4 different colors. A, B, C, D. Let's start our presentation today. On this panel, the width of the panel is 690mm and the height of the panel is 210mm and the character size is 160mm. What we can do with this display, usually we make it in the production area. So this production we can call the ABCD supervisor designated. So whenever the down operation side press the button, then the representative will come to the station to support the existing machine. So you can see that in this counter, you can see here is 99. Later I will take one photo, small one. So we can plus and also minus the time. So now you come at 94, 93. So for example, we want to set at 10 seconds. That means that when we press A, it only appear 10 seconds. Now I set to the maximum 99 seconds, just for presentation purpose. So then you see that the ABCD is appear longer than as usual. So let's say I put, for example, I put 05. That means that when I press A, it will appear 5 seconds. So let's wait for this ABCD to disappear. So this is the mode. You can see that when I press A, B, C, and D. So this is how it responds. So to plus the time, you can press the right hand side button. So minus over here. This is the duration time of the panels. Of course, other than using in the production, we also can use in the call center, for example, those like workshop and also those government department. So you can see that now everything disappear. Let's say I press A. So this A will appear in 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, it will disappear. So A, B, C, and D. So each of them will appear 5 seconds. So let's say I want to increase the time to 10 seconds. So press A, D. So this A and D will come forward. So after that, C and D. So after that, there's another request from the operation side. So you can see that the timing. So this is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.